Pitram comes with local support built into the licensing structure in almost all cases. That means that if you're not sure how to do anything, or you're encountering a bug potentially on site, there's someone that you can reach out to either via email or through the new client support portal, who can help you out with that. Quite often in the support process, we'll ask for a support archive, which is basically a collection of diagnostic information about the machine or the application that you're working in. So for data acquisition, in this instance, to create one, we would go into Tools and just hit the Launch Support Archiving Tool option. It'll give us a number of selections. Generally, we want all of them in most cases. If the memory dump is really big and it's taking too long to run, then potentially you can skip that unless we request it. So once you've selected that, generally we just need the support logs for the time period that the error has been taking place. So if it happened 5 minutes ago, then yeah, a single day is fine. But if it's been occurring for several days, then you might expand this to be the correct date range. Once you've selected the correct criteria, hit start. It'll basically compile all of the relevant files for us into a little folder that will pop up on your screen, and you can just email this through to us, a zip file and a screenshot, and that'll give us most of the information that we need a lot of the time to work on fixing the issue or explaining how to do or how to use a particular aspect of the functionality.